All right, so I'm back. Hopefully you got that right answer. Oh, I hope you did. I know you did. I know you did. I shouldn't say I hope you did. So let's take a look and see what happens here. So basically what you have here, if I did the rise over run by counting, this is not 2, remember. These are going up by 3s. So it's 3, 6, up 6, and this is going not by 1s, by 5. So I went up 6 and over 5. So every 5 watermelons weighs 6 pounds. So I would put that there. Every 5 watermelons weighs 6 pounds. Okay. You may have gotten the decimal equivalent of 1.2 also. So those would also work too as well. 1.2 would be in that case. So your slope there is 1.2. Okay. Well, did we get the same thing? I said you could use these 2 points as well to find the slope. So if you remember, hopefully you did it. There's your y is 6. There's your other y is 12. So I did 6 minus 12, which would give me negative 6. And then 5 minus 10, which would be negative 5. But that's different, Mr. O. Well, what does a negative and a negative give you? Noah, what does a negative and a negative give you? Positive. Oh, he said plus. It's positive. He's only in 3rd grade, guys. I guess you'll get it. So there it is. You can see it's the same thing. So our slope is, we can use 6.5 x, or if we want to, we can actually use the decimal 1.2 x. Okay. So there's that part. But we still need to find our beginning. Okay. So let's think about it here. Watermelon. So here's 5. We go back 5 more to 0. So 0 right here. 0 watermelons. We haven't got our beginning. We're like, where would it be at 0 watermelons? So how much do you think 0 watermelons weigh? You should know that. How much does 0 watermelons weigh? You don't have any watermelons, so how much would they weigh? Noah, how much would 0 watermelons weigh? You don't have any watermelons. How much would they weigh? Nothing. Very good. Perfect. So we can put a 0 here for our slope. I mean, not for a slope, our y-intercept. So 0, nothing. So there's your equation. There's 2 examples for your equation. You can write your equation also like this, or you can write your equation like this. Either way would work. Okay. So there's your answer for that. Well, how do I write my verbal description? Well, all I'm going to do is just tell me what I've got here. I'm just going to say, what do we, so let's illustrate this. So the y represents what? Weight. So we put weight, right? The weight of, and we got to use that word, each watermelon weighs, how much does each watermelon weigh? 1.2 pounds. There it is. If you want to get technical and use the 6/5, you could say also this. This would be another one. I'm going to put it right here, okay? So if I wanted to also, I could get technical and say, I could say for every, there's the word every again, it's going to tell me my start, my slope. For every 6 watermelons, they weigh 5 pounds. So that's what that 6/5 means. For every 6 watermelons, you're going to weigh 5 pounds. And that's what that means. That 6/5 means 6 watermelons is going to give you 5 pounds. And if you divide that out, 1.2 means 1 watermelon for 1.2 pounds. That's what that meant, because it's 1/2.1. Okay. So there it is in a nutshell for you guys. No, this is me in a nutshell. Oh, I guess you haven't seen Austin Powers, so there you go. Okay. So let's look and let's talk about what you're going to do for your homework there. Okay. Let's take a look at that.